Mukha na ito. Sige. Yes. Nakita natin. So, congratulations.
That's fourth, no? And third?
And third. Thank you very much. Now, yes. Silang dalawa abante natin dito. Okay.
Okay, second and fourth nila.
Okay. Katulad ng ginawa natin. Any message to your fans? First time lang daw niya.
Okay.
Yun. Okay, ikaw?
First time din sila dalawa.
First time lang sila. Okay, sige. Gigit na ako. Excuse me.
So first time winner din. Kaya, ano lang.
Okay, so, first, on my left. Or first, on my right. Wala lang dito. Okay, for formality's sake ulit, palakpakan lang ulit. Okay? Nahihirapan din tayo mag-decide.
Yan nga eh.
Okay. Okay.
Start on your right naman.
On my right. On my left. Hindi talaga mawala yung tingin, no? Well, I guess the hands already spoken.
Okay.
We have our winner.
Ayan, first, let's give our runner-up. In prize.
Here you go.
Picture lang po.
Picture muna.
Sabay na natin. Ayan, picture.
Okay, second place muna, picture.
Pose!
And our grand winner for Fest Female! Bigyan naman natin ang palakpakan din!
Ano, gumanti yung series nila kasi yung sa main, second place.
Kasi pagod na eh. Pagod na sila eh.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ayan. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay guys, palakpakan muna tayo sa lahat ng ating mga hall contestants.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sponsor roll call muna tayo.
Okay.